Hello guys, welcome again. From last two video we have learned that how we can create get request, post request in Go language as a RESTful API. In this video we are going to update some record that is previously fetched like this here. If I run this get request, so I have some record here in JSON format. In the previous video we have post some record also, like if I post here the ID 5 and I say Dr. Sanjay Sharma like this. If I have some information and I send it, so it will insert and I can fetch it easily like this. I have my record 5.1 also. So all these we have seen in the previous video. In this video I am going to update the information. So for updating information, again what I do, I create a DB connection first of all. So get my DB and then I use defer to close my DB connection. Now here what I do, I need the request also SID for updating a record. For that I need variables. So I say SID, not SID, and I say vars like this, and I say mux dot vars, and here I pass r. So from this I will have the variable, and from this I will have the value of SID. So I say SID equal to vars, and here I pass SID, and that would be of you say string type. So I have to convert this str string conversion like this, and I will convert this into integer format like this. So I'm sending a ID, that I'm getting that ID here, and I'm converting this into integer. Now what I do, I just fetch a query and I say result error equal to db.exec. I have to fetch a query update student set name equal to question mark, course equal to question mark, where SID equal to question mark. So here first parameter is s dot name. So I say s dot name, the first parameter. For that I have to create the structure variable also, student info like this, and now I have to fetch this information. So this s is available here, and I have to fetch the information from JSON dot new encoder. Sorry, we need a data from the, so we need decoder and data from the body that we want to update to. I want to fetch data into s decode. So data will come here. So I will have s dot name, then s dot course, then SID. So at the last I am passing SID. So if we have right thing, means if there is no error, I check not equal to nil like this, then I will display information error. Then I say fmt dot fprintf w, and I say here error dot this. and else if we have updated the record, that means we have a result. So I say error equal to result dot row affected. If there is affected, row affected, that means we have changed something. Then I check if there is no error, then I say error not equal to nil. So here I have to print JSON dot encoder new encoder w, and here I say encode, and here I will pass the error that record is not updated, and this one like this. Else I will send the same record that is just updated. So w, and I send the s which we get from that for updation. Save it. So I did updation also. Try to close it, run once again. If we do not have any error, then it will run perfectly. So as we see that for get request we have some data. So here for 0 ID I do not have any information, so I try to add for 0 ID. I just put here, and at 0 ID here I say ID number 0, and I try to insert my information like this. And I say PhD like this. Try to send it, and you see there is a problem, some error I think is there. Once again we have to check. Okay, decoding, because I am not decoding here, I forget to put ampersand symbol. So again I close this and I run it again, this one, and I try to fetch the record first of all. If I fetch, so there is a 0 ID. Now I put for update at place of 0 I want to send the information. I send it. So information has been sent, that means updation is successfully completed. So I just fetch all the record, and you see the updation is done. And if I want to update this one, at one ID we have a Sunil Verma, so I can update this also. I say at the one ID I want to update, and in place of this ID should be 1. Information is Sunil Kumar, so I say Dr. Sunil Verma, I say Sunil Kumar. Okay, it is BTech first ID, and it is Mr. Sunil Verma. So I am changing the name to Dr. Sunil Kumar and PhD and 1. I send it. So you see information updated. I try to get the record once again, and okay, without the ID, and you see that information has been updated. So successfully we are updating the information. So in this video we have learned how we can create, update, put request, put RESTful request, put REST services using Go language. So we have successfully updated the information. In last 2 videos we have inserted and fetch the record, means we have created get request, then post request. Now we have created update request by using RESTful API. In next video I will explain how we can delete the record from database using the delete RESTful request. So that's all in this video. If you really learn anything from this video, kindly do subscribe my channel and thank you for watching this video.